Dictation will be start in 5 seconds. Start. It is clear from the discussion made herein above that the said case was not one relating to compounding of offence. Stop. Apart from that, the court found that the dues of the banks have been satisfied by receiving the money, and the suits filed by the bank in the civil court have been compromised. Stop. The FIRs were filed in 1987, 1988, and the investigation had not been completed till 1991. Stop. On those facts, the court rendering the judgment in July 1996 felt that having regard to the lapse of time, and also having regard to the fact that there is a compromise decree satisfying the bank's dues, there is no purpose in allowing the criminal prosecution to proceed. Stop. On these consideration, this court held the proceeding of section 482 of Criminal Procedure Code. Stop. In the facts of that case, the learned judge held that the bank filed suits for recovery of the dues on account of grant of credit facility, and the suits have been compromised on receiving the payments from the company concerned. Stop. The learned court held it an offence of cheating is prima facie constituted. Such offence is a compoundable offence, and compromise decrees passed in the suits instituted by the banks for all intents and purposes amount of compounding of the offence of cheating. Stop. In that case, the court came to the conclusion, since the claims of the banks have been satisfied and the suits instituted by the banks have been compromised on receiving payments, the court felt that the complaint should not be pursued any further, and therefore the decision of the High Court in quashing the complaint does not require any interference under Article 136 of the Constitution. Stop. New para. It is therefore clear that no legal proposition has been laid down on the compounding of offence in Duncan's Agro. Stop. This court proceeded on the peculiar facts of the case discussed above. Stop. Therefore, the said decision cannot be an authority to contended that by mere sanctioning of a scheme, the offence committed by the appellant company prior to the scheme stand automatically compounded. Stop. Reliance was also placed on the decision of this court in the case of CBI New Delhi reported in 5 SCC 257. Stop. In that case, reliance was placed on the decision of this court in Duncan's Agro as such. Stop.